Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Omni Winter Care Algaecide. What is Omni Winter Care Algaecide? Omni Winter Care Algaecide gives pool owners a way to prevent algae growth in their pools during its winter shutdown, vastly simplifying maintenance when you reopen your pool at springtime. Simply add this product to your pool water before sealing the winter cover to keep your pool algae-free all winter long. Winter Care Algaecide is also available with Winter Care Shock in either a 10K or 20K gallon winterizing kit to suit your particular needs. Product benefits: prevents algae growth in your swimming pool during its winter shutdown. Simply add this product to your swimming pool water before sealing the winter cover. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.